I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now always in your hand.